Hello guys, welcome back to Good Share Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix iPhone Bluetooth is not working after updating to iOS Fixes app. So let's get started. So first thing, when you're having this issue, what you have to do is just have to turn on airplane mode and you just have to turn this off. So in order to do this, you just have to go over here and scroll down to the notification center. From here you just have to tap on airplane mode and you have to wait for around 30 seconds to 1 minute. Then you just have to disable this. Now just go for and see whether the issue is solved or not, and if it's not working, then we have solution number 2. Solution number 2 is, what you have to do is just have to go over here and you just have to turn off your Bluetooth. Then what you have to do is, once again you just have to turn on your Bluetooth and see whether the issue is solved or not, and if it's not working, then we have solution number 3. Solution number 3 is, what you have to do is you just have to go over here on the settings. Now from here you just, solution number 3 is all about, you have to go over here in the settings. Now from here you just have to tap on general, and from here what you have to do is just have to scroll down and you have to go over here on the reset option. You'll be having, if you're on the iOS 15, you'll be having a new option like transfer or reset iPhone. You just have to tap it over here, go for reset, and what you have to do is just have to go for reset all settings. And once it is done, you just have to see whether the issue is solved or not. And if it's not working, in some cases due to the software update issue, this can happen. So you just have to check whether you're on the latest version of the software. As you can see, I'm on the latest version, so this is what you have to do. And also the last one, after trying out all this stuff, it's not still working, then we have only one solution, is you have to do a force restart. So in order to do the force restart, you just have to press volume up followed by volume down button, then press and hold power button unless and until you see Apple logo. This is what you have to do, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.